Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's show you this 2006 Ford Mustang GT two-door color silver. And I'm going to give you all a tour of the Mustang GT, start the engine, show it off, go over a bunch of the performance data and features on the interior and exterior. And today, I'm at Automart Corporation in Hanover, Massachusetts. So, with that in mind, let's start your engine. It's the silver color exterior. With black leather interior. Get your full power driver's seat. It's got 66,000 miles. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission. Very nice. It's got the leather wrap steering wheel. Very nice. Alright, we're going to pop on the headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Both the front windows are fully automatic. It will now tour the exterior. These ones are the Pirelli tire brand. This one does not have a power sunroof. The antenna is located on the front. Got your dual exhaust. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. 2006 Ford Mustang comes with a 4.6 liter 8-cylinder engine. Very nice. Here's your battery by AAA. Alright, we'll go ahead and tour the interior. Alright, let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Very nice. Easy to use climate control system. Different zones. Rear defrost. Got your Shaker 500 radio system.
A few men who experience that body fat at the breast, and just about everybody, male and female.
Power outlets located right there.
Found a way to burn out their adrenals, and we do it by, first of all, not being able to digest our food well.
You have another power outlet located inside the center console.
The gut, and so we can't make B vitamins, and then without the B vitamins, we can't make adrenaline. So we kind of burn down the adrenals. One way to really promote the best structure and function for the adrenals is adrenal support.
Got your leather boot here with stitching.
We match the ideal cell resonance.
Got your cruise control located right on the steering wheel.
I think you're going to just love it. And you should do all the basics to support your adrenals.
Wiper controls are located on the right hand side. You got your turn signal handles located over here. Your high beams. Okay, when you pull it for the high beams, you're flashing your lights. Oh, you pull them to turn it on too. And you turn out there, you like pull it not always, just when you flash your lights, it warns somebody their headlights are not on if you're driving at night, and then you pull it out further to turn on the high beams. Simple as that. Alright, we'll go ahead and cut the car out there and we'll check out the rest. And as you can see, the radio stays on until you open your door. Hey, just let you viewers know that this is the 2006 Ford Mustang that had a dead battery there. I'll post a video on that there too. Good. Okay, correction on the driver's seat. The driver's seat is power adjustment. And manual recline. Seats look very comfortable back there. Good amount of trunk space. fully manual passenger seat.